Today, we're gonna talk rainbows. Where and when have you seen a rainbow? I bet you've seen rainbows in the sky, during or after rain. Perhaps you've seen rainbows in the midst of a waterfall. Or maybe the light traveling through glass or crystal casts a rainbow on your wall. You may have seen rainbow colors on wet ground if there's an oil spill. You may even have noticed rainbow colors on a soap bubble. Rainbow colors always occur in the same order. That's called the color spectrum. The colors of a visible rainbow are always in this order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. When thinking about color, artists often use a color wheel, which is like a rainbow bent into a circle. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Before we create some artwork, your first challenge today is to make your very own color wheel. It's very important that your color wheel has all of the colors in the right places. To make a color wheel, start by drawing a circle with pencil, black pen, or marker. I used a small bowl to make my circle. Next, divide the circle up into 6 sections. Try to plan ahead, using estimation to make each section about the same size. If you start with a pencil and draw whisper lines, you can always erase and redraw if you make a mistake. Draw a vertical line straight through the center. Next, add 2 more lines in a big X, each line passing through the center of the circle. Those sections look close to the same size, so now I'll retrace my lines with a black marker. Once you have the lines for your color wheel, now you must find the right colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Any medium will do. Crayons, oil pastels, markers, or paint. When you've decided on your medium, I chose crayons, be careful and double check your colors. This crayon looks red, but it isn't. It's red-violet. Here's the red crayon. This one may look like orange, but it's not. It's red-orange. Here's the orange. You might say this looks like green, but it's actually yellow-green. Here's the green crayon. Once you have your colors, organize them into the color spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Now start by coloring in one section with red. Add orange adjacent to the red. Adjacent means next to. Keep going around the color wheel, adding each color in the order of the color spectrum, in the order of the colors in the rainbow. Yellow is next. After that, add green, then blue, then violet. When you create a color wheel this way, you'll notice that the colors always have a special relationship with each other. Each color is always next to similar colors. Red is always next to orange and purple because red is used to make those colors. Yellow is always next to orange and green because yellow is used to make those colors. Blue is always next to green and purple because blue is used to make those colors. Not only that, each color is always opposite a color that is very different. Red is always opposite green. Orange and blue are always opposite each other. Yellow and violet are always opposites. One more thing that you'll notice about the color wheel: half the color wheel are what we call the cool colors: green, blue, and violet. They're called the cool colors because they remind us of cool or cold things like glaciers, ice, and a shady tree. The other half of the color wheel are called warm colors. red, orange, and yellow, because they remind us of warm or hot things like lava, fire, or the sun. Now that you have your very own color wheel, you could use it to help you choose colors for your very next art project. Have fun!